I still have a lot to do to this thing, but I just wanted to show you guys. Work on getting the oil out of the antifreeze system and cleaning the engine out. Do a couple oil changes to clean it out. And I got some stuff ordered, so probably have a new video in a week or two on it. Get it all done. As I was cleaning it out, it quit, and then it would have just backfire. It wouldn't start. So, as I assumed, I pulled the flywheel off, and the keyway is sheared. I have a new keyway ordered, and when I get that, we'll put it back together. Then at that point, I think that's pretty much it, except for cleaning it up, because it's filthy, disgusting. Oh, and I didn't get the cam chain on time. I just had the new link, so when I put it all back together, I just did the new link with the old cam chain, so it looked fine. But, so, you know, the weather's nicer now, and I have the flywheel back off. I'm going to put the new cam chain on, too. It'll only take me a little longer. Just pop the valve cover off, and it'll be done.